Good morning, everyone. This is Sajjan with you from the Doc Training web series. Today, I'll be explaining about DocuSign, which is an interesting add-on for Intranet Portal, where you'll be able to work faster, reduce cost, and delight your customers. DocuSign, along with Doc, is going to help you securely send, sign, and track important documents from any document folder or document library anytime, anywhere, across any devices. That's the great thing that we're bought into. So you can, let's say if you require a document to be signed, you can electronically sign it up and then you send it across. You don't have to, download them, sign across and then scan it back. And then, that's going to take a lot of time, right? So this is one effective way to manage your documents and, you can send it across. So the key features for DocuSign is you can easily sign and send documents for signature, where you can sign and send out documents using DocuSign for Doc, which is powered by SharePoint Online, and the documents in the SharePoint Online library can be easily sent, signed, and managed by selecting the DocuSign tab in the ribbon bar. So that's what you see over here, right? And you can automate existing business processes. So you can easily automate existing business processes and workflows, and just by easily selecting the documents where you see over here, and you'll be able to sign and send, and you can use DocuSign specifically for signing workflow to route your document to the right people in the order you choose. And the good news is there's no other additional setup required, because anyways we are clubbing this add-on specifically for the new users who's going to sign up with us for Doc. So you can use your existing company credentials to sign into DocuSign without leaving your Doc or Office 365. So basically you'll be using the Office 365 credentials to log into the solution, and the accounts is actually automatically linked using single sign-on capabilities, and it's powered by the Azure Active Directory. And administrative controls and the document management, this is very, very easy, and you'll be able to manage administrative controls with DocuSign for Doc, and you'll be able to grant access, manage users, ensure compliance, and maintain a centralized and secure location for all DocuSign documents across your organization. So that's a bit of features that I wanted to discuss about DocuSign. Now, how do you make use of this, right? And I really believe this is going to be handy for the finance department team, where they will have to send out some reports or, forecasts. So this has to be signed by the manager or the top authorities, right? So what you got to do is, like, let's say I have a couple of documents like here. So let's go ahead and click on one. So this is second quarter report of expenditures. So what I need to do is I can go to DocuSign and configure basically how to do that. So I'll be showing you how to go and configure your signatures and your details. Now get signatures on a document. So you need to get a signature. So you just have to select on the document and then click over here, and you can send it across to others using DocuSign. So if it's only you to sign, then just click over here and quickly sign using the DocuSign. And you can also create templates based on that, and you can also check the document status. So whichever you have sent out for signature from this document library, you'll be able to see the status if it's been acknowledged or it's approved. So you'll be able to check the status as well. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on sign, and let's see what happens. So basically, Doc, what we have done, we have integrated DocuSign with Intranet Portal again. So, and please note that this is only available for SharePoint Online instance. I mean Office 365 if you have. So we'll be able to integrate that with your solution. Basically, you have to log in. So it's just a single login. This is possible with the Office 365 login. And now what happens next, right? Just need to review the document, right? So I can go ahead and review the documents here. And what I do is, let's say that's the last page here, and I'm gonna add a signature tag. And yes, I'm gonna add a signature. called initials, JD. So that's John Davis. Now, if you want it to be this way, you can do that, or you can always draw, right? So it should be handy if you have a stylus, that should be even more better. So I just did it over here. You can always do your signature here. Or you can, just follow this, just make sure this is authentic, right? So you can follow this and then, opt and sign. And there you go. You have your signature. Or you can also put in your initials. Most important, you need to put a date. So as soon as you put your signature, you can put your date, and yes, you can put your name as well, the company, and what's your title. You can also go ahead and probably put a checkbox if required. Should notify your team, on something. So now I have the signature here. So what's the next action I need to do? Click on finish, right? And the next stage is simple. I'm just gonna send it to someone for me. So I'm gonna send it across. Perfect. So I'm just going to click on send and close. And by now, Sajjan will be receiving this document for an approval. And that's how it works, right? So you should be receiving an email by now. And next is, so this is how basically you need to sign a document. Also, you can get signatures on a document. So you just have to select the document and click on get signatures. So I can, go ahead and, just put in those details. Who needs to sign on this document? And you need to give kind of a privilege that this person needs to sign, or he just needs to receive a copy, or he should at least, he should be given a privilege to view the document. So let's click on needs to sign. I'm going to add Bradley. Perfect. And we can give him to receive a copy. Brian Smith. Should be able to view it, right? So if you can see the icons over here, this is obviously Sajjan has the privilege to sign it, and Bradley is going to receive a copy of it, and Brian is just, he should be able to view the document only. So I can create certain privileges for, and then I can write a message, right? And please DocuSign. And if I click on that, all three receive an email, and Sajjan will receive an email to sign it. Bradley will be notified on, okay, Sajjan is going to sign the document, so you're receiving a copy, and also Brian would receive it. The third person is going to receive it, and he'll be able to view it. So that's one good feature of having DocuSign in Doc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to get back to us if you're interested. You can visit our website, www.mydoc365.com. And that's it for today. And I'll be coming up with more and more videos. So stay tuned and have a great day.